'Cause I know that all I know, it's time to
These King Hawaiian rolls are so versatile. You can use them in recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even desserts. Today I'm making Boston cream pie donuts. I would concentrate the majority of the butter on top and then just a little bit on the sides. Okay, now I'm going to put it in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. And now we wait. But not only are we waiting, we have to do the next step. Ah, they look beautiful. So we're going to let them sit right there and cool, and we're done with the oven. Okay, our next step is to take our vanilla pudding. Okay, add that. Our 1.5 cups of milk. Pinch of salt. And our vanilla extract, and we're going to whisk that together. For this part of the recipe, do not follow the instructions on the Jell-O box. Follow what I have written in the description box. So this is 1.5 cups. I want to get it all out since I'm almost short. Okay, we're going to fold it in. This is going to be the filling that goes inside of our rolls. I've incorporated all of the ingredients, and now I'm going to let it chill in the fridge for about 10 minutes. So the next step is we're going to make an opening in each one of the rolls. So I'm using a wooden spoon. You can use whatever you have. Don't want to go through to the other side though. My tip's already in the bag. I haven't cut the bottom of the plastic yet. Now, like I said, all this filling, you're not going to need it for these. Okay, I'm going to cut off the bottom part. See how that goes. And squeeze. Oops. Okay. Here's our semi-sweet. That's what I'm using. Chocolate chips. And the milk I've heated up. And now I'm going to whisk them together. There we go.
Okay.
It looks beautiful now, but in the beginning it does look a little scary. And this is what we're going to dip the top of the rolls into. Okay. Okay. We'll just dip. If possible, I don't want it to drip down the sides, but it can. After we get the chocolate on the top of every roll, then it's going to chill in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Now it is time to try the Boston cream donuts.
Oh, I've been waiting for this for the past hour. May I say, a little toasted on the outside, nice, shiny chocolate.
Right.
I just put my finger in the cream hole, which
I know.
the first round, not enough.
I didn't have enough filling in the first time I made it, but
You're not going to believe these now.
I'm willing to keep trying. Keep practicing.
Oh my God, they're heaven. So the first time she made them, not enough cream. Second time, double, not enough. Third time, needed more. Fourth time, she thought I was messing with her. But she filled it with cream and King's Hawaiian rolls.
I know,
chocolate.
who would have thought, right?
And Jell-O vanilla pudding.
Right. Exactly. So that's the hardest part, I think, for me anyway. Not having a lot of experience using a piping bag. So you got some chocolate on your face.
I'm going to have more after she asks you to like and subscribe.
So that would be, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So that, yes, more cream is better. You know, the funny part is we don't even like donuts, but we like these.
Okay, say goodbye so I can have another one.
Yeah, no. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, the recipe is in the description box. New videos every Sunday. We'll see you next time with another great recipe.
This is freaking amazing.
Bye.
I love the music you play in the videos.
It's kind of messy, but that's okay.